In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Google Keep 5 minutes. If you've ever wished you could add bold or fancy text in Keep, this quick workflow will get you there using a simple online tool and a few copy and paste moves. Start by opening the Google Apps Launcher, the grid icon you'll usually see in the top right corner of most Google pages. From there, find the Keep icon and click it to open your notes. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list or use the search field in the launcher. Once Keep is open, you'll be ready to grab the text you want to format. Next, open a new browser tab and go to boldtext.io. This site converts regular characters into styled Unicode text that looks bold, italic, or decorative. It's a handy workaround since Keep doesn't offer native text formatting. At the top of the page, there's a field where you can paste your text. We'll get to that in a moment. Switch back to your Keep tab and open the note that contains the text you want to style. Select the portion you want to enhance and copy it. Return to boldtext.io and paste that text into the input box at the top. Immediately, you'll see a list of different styles generated below. These aren't images, they're styled characters, so they'll stay intact when you paste them back into Keep. If you want more options, click to show additional fonts and explore. Choose a style that's clear and readable. Some decorative options can be harder to scan, especially in longer notes. If you use special symbols or non-English characters, double check that the chosen style renders them correctly. Once you've found a style you like, copy the converted text from the result you selected, then head back to your Keep note and paste it right where you want it to appear. The styling should carry over immediately. This works well for note titles, headings, or callouts you want to emphasize. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Because these styles rely on special characters, Keep search may not match them as easily as plain text, and some screen readers may read them differently. Use them for emphasis, but keep the bulk of your content in regular text for accessibility and searchability. And that's it. Open Keep, use boldtext.io to generate styled text, copy your preferred look, and paste it back into your note. You've just added formatting flair to Google Keep in a simple, repeatable way.